Do you know that quick-fit laser-welded ducting can reduce installation time and duct-related downtime by more than 45% compared to traditional ductwork? Let's take a look at how it works. All QF components easily connect using the specially designed QF clamps. As you can see in this video, using a rolled-edge design and clamp connections, QF components can be assembled in seconds without the need for welding, bolts, or specialized tools, which significantly reduce installation time and downtime compared to traditional ductwork. Quick-fit ducting system enables rapid reconfiguration and reuse, being ideal for dynamic plant environments. When maintenance is required, sections can be quickly dismantled, cleaned out, and connected back without tools, ensuring ease of use. Faster installation means reduced downtime, lower labor costs, and quicker project turnaround. Built with strong, continuous welds, QF ducting components maintain their shape and strength after multiple installation cycles without deformation or leaks. It makes feasible to reinstall or relocate quick-fit ducting systems many times, ensuring one of the lowest life cycle costs for ducting components on the market. Time is money. Make sure you use quick-fit ducting system for your next ductwork installation. Visit our website for more information.